Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this episode, I'm going to be helping my buddy Alex install a set of hood shocks on his SS Trailblazer over there. Set of nice Redline tuning hood shocks. I actually have a set, well, I don't have these nice stainless ones like he got. I got the black ones on the Colorado, and I have a set on my Trailblazer as well. So this is kind of be a how-to for installing these. And really, it's not really that bad. Pretty much doing your measuring, line up where you're going to put your brackets at, mark your holes, drill them, pop rivet in the rivets and the mounts, hook up your shocks, and then no more pop rod. So let's go ahead and get started. Tape measure. Slides right off. Oh, 27 and a quarter, right? 11 3/4 and 27 and a quarter. Closer to the tools. Now we got everything.
Fixed it.
Alright, so we got our first piece of tape marked at 11 3/4. As Alex is tripping over there. And we got our second piece of tape on the hood at 27 1/4. So one bracket will be on the fender, the other bracket's going to be on the hood. We did it for the same on the other side. Alright, so we'll get the hood open and start getting the brackets placed and start drilling.
Can't wait to shave that rear plate off.
God, that's so heavy.
It's a heavy.
compared to my Scott's hood.
I know.
So you'll place your bracket up and then get your marks right in the center of the holes. Then take a center punch, dent those in a little bit so when you're drilling, the drill bit doesn't walk on you. So
Make that hammer time.
now I'm going to bleep out that.
No, sorry.
I'll get demonetized.
Well, you can put like a chicken cluck there.
There you go. They're doing a Epic mealtime. That's what my instant message sound is on my phone.
That's funny.
Now let's carefully drill these holes out. The instructions say you can wrap a piece of tape around the drill bit so you don't go too far, but if you're slow and careful,
And this is your own vehicle.
and because yeah, you wouldn't want to do it full blast and then send your drill bit through your hood. He had flames and some blue and
Kind of Mustang like it.
there's a newer Coyote.
Oh, it's a Coyotes. I like those. They're alright. I don't like when they run in the families, but
Family? You mean just crowds in general?
yeah, but families go too. Think about the families, the Mustangs. I'm just joking. Mustangs are alright.
He's not joking.
Nah.
So our bracket set up with our rivets. Let's line them up. Okay, that one's all the way in. I'll go in once we. There we go. All right. And a few pumps. Okay, maybe we'll. That one actually shot out at me. I do believe. Where'd it go? Okay. Don't know where that one went.
Maybe it's in your pocket.
That'd be funny. No, it was on me. It dropped. Okay. All right.
Alright.
Alright, now we'll go ahead and do the bottom one. Get the bracket lined up, get the marks made, hole punch, drill, do the same thing. It'll be interesting once the whole merger with T-Mobile goes through.
Sprint and T-Mobile?
Yeah, you didn't hear about that?
No. That's fine.
Just carefully drilling your holes. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get the hood shocks set up. Let's see. Pop that one. You want to go ahead and get the other one? So, little tip, take a little screwdriver, pop it into the clip here to spread the teeth apart. Bam. Oh yeah, you're gonna have to lose those.
Okay.
Should just pop right off. Actually, actually. I think
They slide.
Yeah, there you go.
Since the hood shock, 'cause, I mean, you could probably notch them for the hood shocks, but
I ain't worried about it.
okay. Like I said, it just makes it just a little easier because I mean, yeah, you can just force it on. Oh, yours actually went on, or did you actually get it? Did it pushed out a little bit?
I'll push it out.
Okay. All right. So now, I'll go ahead and see if that's, yeah, it should be good. There we go. Yeah, it's holding. Go ahead and do the honors. Now go ahead and pop your hood. So what do you think?
Great success.
All right, so here's the finished project. Yeah. So here's the finished product. Nicely installed. There we go. Well, everyone, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if it's your first time top by the channel, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.